Imagine holding time in your hand, a leaf that kept a whole season, a song that saved a summer. Today I'll show you how to collect after 50 and it becomes your secret superpower for joy, memory and new friendships. Hi Thrivers, welcome back to Thrive, where we're all about living vibrantly and with purpose, especially after 50. Today we are diving into the joy of collecting. Simple, soulful projects that spark creativity, bring people together and keep our curiosity alive. We are not just listing ideas. You'll get mini challenges, display tips and quick wins you can try this week. Let's go. Collections are stories you can hold after 50. You have more space to choose what lights you up. Collecting helps with purpose. Get small goals, tiny hunts, satisfying wins. Presence, slowing down to notice beauty in everyday things. Connection, markets, clubs, online groups, instant icebreakers. Creativity, displays, journals, photography, it all involves. Legacy, a curated story your family can keep. But, by the way, it is not about loads of stuff. It's about curation, choosing meaning. History lover? Time in your hands. History buffs, this is your playground. Vintage coins, banknotes, stamps, or hands-on history like antique tools. Everyday pieces whispers a story. Try this. Visit a local antique market or a charity shop. Pick one object. Ask, what story does it tell? Photograph an image. Note the date, place, price and the story you imagine. Find one historical item this week and research its origin. Where was it made? Who used it? Post a photo and your story in the comments. Buy responsibly. Check laws on artifacts, prioritize replicas where needed. For the nature enthusiast, beauty is in the everyday. Remember, pressed leaves, shells, seed pots, feathers, rocks, free, beautiful and seasonal. Try this. Create a season shelf at home. Rotate treasures each quarter. Pressed leaves between powder inside a heavy book. Label with date and place. Rocks, minerals, start with 3 colors or textures you love. Challenge, go on a 1-hour nature hunt this weekend. No phones, just your senses. Bring home one treasure and tell us where and why it moved. For the car buffs, if you love restoring cars, bring that joy indoors. Model cars, vintage license plates, badges, petrol caps, nostalgia you can display. Create a wall or shelf, your dream garage, cars you love, eras you adore. Add one item per month. Photograph progress like a mini museum. Challenge, find a car-related item with a story, maybe a local show. Snap a photo and share your story. Why this piece? For the creatives, you don't need to be an artist to love art. Collect vinyls that soundtracked your life. Vintage cameras with character or handmade pottery from local markets. At your next market or gallery visit, buy with your heart, not your wallet. Start a first 5. 5 records, 5 cameras or 5 mugs, each with a story. Pick one creative medium this month, music, photography or pottery, and start your first piece. Share your why below. For the explorers, keep travel alive. Postcard, patches, ticket stubs, ranger badges, souvenirs become waypoint points in your story. Make a travel memory box, objects, a note about how you felt. Start a postcard to myself ritual. Mail one from each trip. Write 100-word travel story for one postcard. What changed in you there? Read it on our next Thrive Circle. Frequently asked questions. Do I need a lot of space? No. Curate a single shelf or frame. Cards or shadow boxes are magic. How do I choose a collection? Follow your curiosity. If it sparks joy or nostalgia, it's in. Isn't it just clutter? Not when it is curated. Contain it, label it, rotate it. Meaning beats mass. What about cost? Thrift, swap, nature finds, DIY displays. Let the story lead, not the price tag. Your 7-day collected challenge starts now. Day 1, choose a theme. Day 2, find your first piece. Day 3, write its story in 100 words. Day 4, display it, shelf or frame. Day 5, share it with someone. Day 6, add one more piece. Day 7, post your mini collection. And in the comments, tell us, what will you collect and why? If today sparked ideas, please like, subscribe and hit the bell so more people over 50 find our Thrive community. Until next time, keep thriving and exploring. Thank you.